The climate and farming systems in Ireland are unique compared to mainland Europe. We have mild winters, cooler summers, and a predominant use of forage is grazing. This is in difference to mainland Europe, where a predominance of usage of forage is silage. This creates a unique challenge where varieties coming from mainland Europe may not be well adapted to our climate or our farming system. Therefore, it is essential that we have a dedicated breeding resource that focuses on the requirements of Irish farms and farmers.
Teagasc and Goldcrop have been involved in a partnership for the past 10 years with the grass and clover breeding programme based at OakPark in Carlow. And within that partnership, Teagasc look after the plant breeding and Goldcrop take care of seed production and then bringing that seed subsequently to market. In order to strengthen that relationship and move it further, we're introducing Pasture Innovations as the partnership vehicle for Goldcrop and Teagasc. The beneficial outcomes that we expect are new and improved varieties that are specifically tailored to suit Irish farming conditions, and hopefully that will enhance and meet the needs, their forage needs in the years up ahead as we tackle environment change and climate change.
The role of Teagasc in Pasture Innovations is to research, study and apply best scientific practice to develop and run a practical breeding programme that will deliver high quality varieties of perennial ryegrass, white clover, red clover, chicory and plantain. We have adopted a multi-species breeding approach targeted at increasing animal production potential, improving animal health and welfare and increasing sustainability through reducing the environmental and climatic footprint of agriculture. The breeding process is based on the development and testing of hundreds of different crosses among elite plants. Seed of these crosses is produced at OakPark. The seed is then sown and evaluated in the field under real-world cutting and grazing to develop varieties adapted for Irish farmers. The main traits for improvement are seasonal and total annual yield, nutritional value, grazing utilisation, persistency and disease resistance.
The outcomes of the programme are designed to be available to everybody in the industry. First of all, it's a traditional breeding programme with natural crossing between plants. And the outputs then of that programme, once they're commercial in the market, they're available to other breeding programmes as a resource for their own programmes.
Successes so far include the late heading tetraploid Glenfield, which is a leading variety for spring growth, and also scores 5 stars on the Grazing Utilisation Index, making this variety ideally suited to Irish farms. Ferga red clover, which is the first ever Irish bred red clover, with much improved persistence, again making this variety more suited to Irish silage systems. And Clover white clover, which will be the highest yielding white clover to date, bred under grazing pressure, which again makes this variety ideally suited to Irish farms.
So looking at timelines and availability, in the current year, Glenfield is a big introduction for us. It's a late tetraploid with really good graze out. We have a big introduction in 2024 with Ferga red clover, and then we look forward to Clover white clover being introduced in 2025.